Hello, this is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the paper Dudleya. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. You could also find the supplies listed below the video along with a template to cut with your Cricut, Silhouette, or other cutting machines, and a print version to hand cut for those that don't have a cutting machine. First, cut 8 of the first pattern and 2 of the second, but the sizes are slightly adjusted, so one is a little bigger. And 2 of the fourth pattern, also slightly adjusted size, and 4 of the biggest size, all in the same size. Check the sizing and roughly estimate the measurements there. All of this fit on a 12 by 12 cardstock paper for me, or you will need 2 letter size paper and separately cut the bigger pieces on the second sheet of paper. Then use white pan pastel to brush it along all the petals, only on the front side. I like to keep everything in order from each size, and this white pan pastel part is also optional, but I noticed that these succulents tend to have this chalky look, so maybe make a variety of them with some chalkier and some without. I also have other succulents available that you could check out. Start with the small 8 pieces and do the first 4 by curling side to side, and same with the other 4. Then take stacks of 2 and curl each petal with the chalky side facing you, and do that to all the pieces. After curling it, I also open it back slightly. You should have a total of 8 small single petal pieces and 8 of the flower shaped pieces, but those are going to go from smallest to biggest and gradually getting bigger each piece. Make sure to poke a small hole on the last piece only. Then go back to the first 8 pieces and curl one all the way, and before fully curling, add hot glue on the bottom right corner and connect so it's like a cylinder. Then take the next piece and add glue on both bottom corners and loosely wrap that over the first cylinder. There should be a little gap between each other. Then take the third piece and do the same, but add it slightly perpendicular to the second one, and add that fourth one on the area that's left. The next 4 pieces will do the same thing, but make sure none of the pointy tips on the top is at the same angle as the ones before. I also like to do the same direction as the circle, going counterclockwise. You could do clockwise or counterclockwise, just keep going the same direction. Next will be the second pattern. Add glue on the bottom of the first pieces and add glue a little bit on the bottom side, and add that to the next and fold up the petals so it naturally gathers up to the center. Then go to the next size and make the petals go in between the first one, crisscrossing. The next 2 I crisscross on top of the next size first, and then glue that to the first ones, and do the same thing to the next 2, crisscross first and then add that. Make sure to fill in the gaps as much as possible. The last piece should have a small hole, and that is where we will grab our 22 gauge floral wire, curl a loop on one end, and bend down the loop so the loop is perpendicular to the rest of the wire, and that will anchor onto the last piece. Add glue and the wire, and then add glue to crisscross the second one. The wire is optional. I made these paper Dudleya with a flat back and attached it to a shadow frame. So you could use this as a wall art or a card. If you put the wire, you could add it into a pot like this. I also have other paper succulents, paper plants, and paper cactus that you could try. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.